El 5 de marzo de 2017, un usuario llamado John Paul subió a YouTube unas imágenes impactantes. En el video, el Dr. John All, un investigador climático, atraviesa una cascada de hielo en el Himlung Himal, en Nepal, cuando la superficie bajo sus pies colapsa repentinamente. Y lo que ocurre después se convierte en la peor pesadilla de cualquier alpinista.
Well, I'm pretty well. I fell through that hole. Thankfully, I didn't keep falling that way. I got trapped here instead of this ledge, my arm I can't use. I'm going to have to somehow climb out that way. I can't go that way at all. Gotta stop at this ledge. Oh. How the f do I get back up there, though? Oh. I'm not trying. I fell through that hole. That way, I didn't fall down, thankfully. My right arm is seizing up. I can't use it anymore. I'm gonna try and stem above that, get through that, try and head that way. Hopefully I can escape.
Se estrella contra una estrecha repisa, logrando detenerse por poco antes de caer aún más hacia la oscuridad bajo él. Su brazo derecho queda inutilizado. Sospecha que tiene costillas rotas, quizá algo peor, incluso hemorragias internas. Respira con dificultad. Su voz suena temblorosa, apagándose por momentos. Y no hay nadie que vaya a ayudarlo. No hay cuerda, ni equipo, ni respaldo. Solo él, una cámara y una pared vertical de hielo elevándose sobre su cabeza.
Doesn't look easy. That's my hole I fell through. That's my path I'm gonna try. It doesn't look easy, but that's all I can do. I don't have a right arm. Oh, so I can't get out this way. It's too soft. I can't talk because I have a broken rib, I think. Or my chest is filling with blood or something. So I fell all the way down there. I've crawled out through here. So I can't get out that way. So I'm gonna have to crawl through there. Try and climb up out through this thing. Hopefully I can get out. So close now. Oh, I hurt bad. But I gotta get out. I can't use my right arm. Oh, I'm so close. It's gonna be so easy if I don't work in your right arm. Oh. Climbed all the way. Over, up, over. So close.
Lo que sigue es lento, doloroso y metódico. Comienza a trepar con un solo brazo. Cada movimiento es deliberado, pero se nota el esfuerzo en cada palabra. Se habla a sí mismo mientras avanza, planificando cada paso en voz alta, probando agarres, encontrando callejones sin salida, ajustando y volviendo a intentar. El hielo está blando e inestable, cada agarre parece temporal, y de alguna manera sigue adelante. Logró salir, pero al ver el video de nuevo, cada segundo parece que podría haber sido el instante en que todo terminó. Un resbalón, un agarre fallido, una ola de dolor de más, y no habría habido nadie allí para ayudarlo. El 20 de julio de 2019, un aterrador video de motocross fue subido a YouTube por un creador llamado Joey Mack. En el video, Joey y su amigo Brendan están probando motos nuevas en un sendero remoto cerca de Bautista Canyon, en el sur de California. Es un lugar aislado, a kilómetros de cualquier cosa, justo al lado de una prisión estatal. Al principio parece solo otra salida en moto, pero en lo profundo de esas colinas se encuentran con algo que cambia por completo el tono del video.
All right, guys, we found the trail. We ended up going about 45 minutes past it, but it's all good. As long as we got it. Let's do it, Brennan.
Finally got it.
This is the official 2020 Honda 110 review. So we're gonna let you guys know in this review whether it's a good idea to go ahead and buy the Honda or not. I paid for it, not given to me, nothing like that. So I could at least be brutally honest, which I would be with you guys either way. So let's get going here. Right off, it does shift a little bit weird, a little bit different than the 110s, but maybe I gotta get used to it. Oh my God. It is so rocky up this hill. Unreal. We're gonna rip up to the top of this thing and then rip back down. We'll be able to go a lot faster on the way down, that's for sure. Come on, baby.
Al principio todo parece normal. Van conduciendo, probando las motos y bromeando entre ellos. Lo único que llama la atención es lo lejos que están de todo. Casi 45 minutos adentrándose por los senderos, sin nadie más alrededor, sin coches, sin excursionistas, nada. Entonces descienden hacia el lecho de un arroyo y ven algo que los deja completamente paralizados.
Oh shit, bees! Bees! There are a lot of fucking bees. Sorry, Brendan. I'm going back this way. I'm terrified of bees. I got attacked by killer bees one time. That is a whole nother. Oh my God, what the hell is this? What the fuck? Where did she come from? Okay, that is creepy. That is so creepy. Brennan's gonna freak out. Do I go back and look for him? What the hell? Where did she come from? Where did she just come from? I gotta go find Brendan. This is like something out of a freaking movie right now. I feel like I'm being pranked right now. We were literally so far from anything, guys. 45 minutes that way on a bike, and then, you know, 30 minutes from this prison. I gotta find Brandon. Dude. What was that?
What?
That girl.
Creepy as fuck, huh?
Was that not creepy?
Her bag, I was just over her bag.
Wait,
her
what?
Bag way down there, where I kept going.
Yeah.
There's a bag like hidden in the bushes down there.
Dude, she just like was staring.
She came, like, running at me.
She did?
Yeah, I was like, I rode back to the river.
Yeah.
And she was like sprinting through there.
What? She was just like kind of like staring at me. Dude, that was weird. Let's get the fuck out of here. What was she carrying?
She had something wrapped up. Like,
I know. I don't know. Okay, let's get out of here.
Una mujer, sola, descalza, sin vehículo y sin ninguna razón evidente para estar allí. Simplemente permanece de pie mirándolos fijamente, completamente inmóvil. Luego, sin previo aviso, comienza a correr. En un momento incluso persigue a Brendan por el sendero. Todo se vuelve caótico, confuso y profundamente inquietante. Abandonan el lugar conmocionados, sin saber exactamente qué fue lo que acababan de presenciar, ni si realmente estuvieron a salvo.
All right, guys, we're here. Brennan, what is going on right now?
So when we went on that trail ride yesterday, we think we found a missing person out in Batista Canyon Road named Carly
Goose. Yes. So what was going on is I was editing the video, and my girlfriend came over and she's like, oh, I'm just gonna look up to see if it's a missing person. And so as soon as she popped it in, missing girl in Anza, this came up right here. It's Carly Goose. She actually went missing from Bishop, which is about 3 hours away. But it was just kind of weird how it popped up. So I looked at her face. She has a couple different pictures too. And it popped in my head. I was like, dude, that is her. I have a weird feeling it's her. So what we're going to do is we're going to call it in just to make sure it's not. It's better safe than sorry. If you guys ever run into this kind of stuff, it's good just to turn it in so they go check it out and make sure she doesn't need any help. So we're going to call right now, turn it in, and then see what's going on with it, really. So let's call it.
That's Rachel.
Hello, I'm calling about a missing persons report, and I think I might have seen the girl.
Do you know the name of the person?
Yes, it's Carly Goose. She went missing in Bishop, California, but I was out in Hemet. It's like Batista Canyon Road out in the mountains, and I came across a girl that looks really close to her out in the hills, right off the side of the road, and I seen a picture of it and it just kind of popped in my head and it looked exactly like her, so I thought I'd call in and make a report at least.
Más tarde, ya en casa, mientras revisa las grabaciones, algo no le cuadra a Joey. Decide hacer una llamada y reportar lo que habían visto. Esa misma noche, la policía utiliza las indicaciones para registrar la zona y los encuentran. 2 adolescentes desaparecidos desde hacía 2 días, ambos con vida y finalmente reunidos con sus familias. Lo que comenzó como un encuentro extraño, casi inquietante en un sendero remoto para motos, termina con 2 vidas salvadas, todo porque alguien confió en su instinto y decidió hacer la llamada en lugar de ignorarlo. El 4 de julio de 2012, un usuario llamado 11MOAX subió un video a YouTube que desde entonces ha sido visto más de 3 millones de veces y con buena razón. En las imágenes, un escalador se encuentra a mitad de ascenso en Kennedy's Gully, dentro del Array Ice Park, en Colorado, mientras que por encima de él, un grupo de escaladores observa y graba la escena. Al principio nada parece fuera de lo normal, pero entonces lo notan, algo que el escalador desde abajo no puede ver. La plataforma de hielo sobre la que está apoyado se está derritiendo rápidamente y lo que sucede después se convierte en uno de los intentos de rescate más tensos jamás captados en cámara.
shit. He's losing his.
Yeah, we got a rope if you want it.
You want a rope?
We're setting up a rappel. Can you hang on?
That'd be great.
We'd love to do that. You stable there? Eric? Yeah. Just send it down.
Do you have something to clip a loop into?
What's that?
Do you have something to clip a loop into?
I got you set right here.
That's not. You got a walker?
Yep.
Hang on a second, dude. This end isn't fixed.
Well, I'm clipped in.
Put him on belay. Do you have him on belay?
You have to put them on belay. Hang on a second.
Do you have him on belay?
Hang on. You're not on belay yet, but we're getting there.
Can you clip that to your harness?
Okay, you're on. Yeah, you're clipped directly into it. Okay, you've got them there?
Hold on, I will.
Okay, you're golden.
Wait.
Thank you very much.
Wait.
Wait. Let's put this up here. Put it in here just to redirect.
He's climbing. He's falling.
Entonces sucede. El hielo cede, el escalador cae y la cuerda lo detiene en el último instante, apenas. Desde arriba se repiten las mismas palabras una y otra vez. Lo tenemos, lo tenemos, lo tenemos. No suena a celebración, sino a alivio, como si ni siquiera pudieran creer que realmente haya funcionado.
Got you. I so got you. Got you, babe. Oh, God. Eric, tell me who was that.
Yeah, good.
Okay. Not going anywhere. Fuck. Still got you. So we're setting up a... Hold on, I got you. Keep walking up.
I'll push that, don't worry.
Yeah,
Why don't we do a 3-to-1 pulley? I've got a pulley in the back of my harness.
Can you get over that ice to your right, maybe?
What's that?
That ice to your right, maybe? Halfway, Chelsea?
well, if we fix the other end of the line,
Yeah, I just...
fix this end of the line, and then no matter what happens, we can't get back.
Good.
And then when you come up here, there's running water. So don't be surprised. That was just not a moment too soon.
Man, thank you.
Well, we knew what it was like when we came up this morning. Come on, come up here and rest. Come and rest.
Yeah, I'm gonna come underneath it.
I so got you. It's okay. There's water right there.
Cuando finalmente lo suben hasta la cima, toda la tensión se libera de golpe. Surgen risas nerviosas y alguien le dice que respire. La presión que había ido creciendo durante minutos simplemente se derrumba. Pero al verlo de nuevo, resulta difícil pensar en otra cosa que no sea el momento exacto en que todo ocurrió. Si esa cuerda se hubiera asegurado apenas unos segundos más tarde, este video habría terminado de una manera muy diferente. El 1 de marzo de 2022, un video fue subido a YouTube por un canal llamado Squatch TV, y es uno de esos clips que resulta realmente difícil de explicar. En las imágenes, dos hombres se encuentran de noche cerca de un puente de tren abandonado, en lo profundo de un bosque remoto, a unos 30 minutos de la casa más cercana. Están allí para observar la vida salvaje, pero pronto se siente como si algo en ese bosque ya los estuviera observando a ellos.
It's hard to tell with the wind, but it almost sounded like something definitely made some kind of noises over there. So we're gonna check it out. Occasionally snowmobilers come through here, but other than that, it's pretty remote. This is an abandoned train bridge. Okay. I almost kind of don't want to go back over there. Yeah, my brother said he heard some weird things, but that's pretty weird. I've never heard a grizzly bear sound like that before. Whew. You got like chills going down your spine?
Yup.
I hope the camera got that. Technically, this train bridge is trespassing, so no one comes by here anymore. That's why we come here late at night to search for animals, stuff like that. But there's no people back here. You take that one path up here.
Yeah.
Is that right there?
Yeah. Take to the babies. Oh, baby.
Okay, I don't even want to go. I don't even want to. What the hell was that? Dude, fuck this.
Al principio son solo sonidos, ruidos extraños y distantes que se arrastran con el viento, inusuales, irregulares, inquietantes. Uno de ellos comenta que no suena a ningún oso grizzly que haya oído antes. Siguen avanzando, pero el ambiente cambia rápidamente. Se nota en sus voces la incertidumbre, la tensión que crece con cada paso. Y entonces ocurre algo que nunca esperaban.
Yeah. We can turn back, really? I should have my fucking rifle. Dang, people think I'm night hunting. Holy shit. Alright, let's keep fucking moving.
Yeah.
So we've been hearing some really fucking spooky shit, dude. I'm only giving it like maybe 5 more minutes. So we're walking.
Yeah.
We're in the middle of the woods, about half an hour from my house. I only got a knife, but that's not gonna stop a fucking grizzly bear or whatever this is. So. Yeah. It's coming from up there. I don't even know if I want to. We'll see what it is, but at the same time, it's like, I mean, this is like something fucking unknown.
Right. Let's be safe how long we're out here, because I think there's a storm coming. It's getting real windy.
Alright. Go. That's pretty loud. That's close. Okay. See where... I know. Okay. Oh, go. It's coming. Oh, crap. Wait, don't, wait. Go. Wait. Holy, I think I saw it. Go. 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 Oh, crap. Bro, wait, where's it? Okay, we're far enough away. Let's just fucking go, dude. Fuck that. I don't know what the fuck that is. Hurry up. I'm turning off the camera.
Todo cambia al instante. Sea lo que sea, carga contra ellos. Corren. La cámara se mueve de forma caótica mientras atraviesan la oscuridad, gritando uno sobre el otro para no perderse, simplemente tratando de salir. Las imágenes se cortan poco después. Lo último que se escucha es a uno de ellos decir que va a apagar la cámara. Nunca se logra ver con claridad qué había en ese bosque aquella noche, pero el miedo en sus voces es real, ya fuera un oso, un alce o algo completamente distinto. 2 personas corrieron por sus vidas en la oscuridad, y al ver el video de nuevo, es difícil decir que estaban equivocados.